to give Gen Z what we believed was a much needed support on Nane Nane. We hit the streets. We were there no more than 5-10 minutes, and we were tear gassed like you cannot believe. Driving out of town, we were chased to this home, and it has been a siege since that time, where hundreds of police officers have been here, and they have done criminal things you cannot believe, all in the view of looking for me. 7 years ago, they looked for me in this house, they couldn't find me. Even now, you look for me in this house, you will not find me. So please, musijaribu tena. You're wasting your time. Yeah? If you want me, it's a simple summons, and I'll appear where you want me. Stop looking for me in this house. You'll never find me. Never. Please. This is Mjinga. We are not born yesterday. All right? Now, I want to be very clear here. I am firm in my commitment for democracy of this nation. I have been very vocal about the economy of this nation. And it is the economy of this nation that has led to Mandamano. There is no economy here. William Ruto, you are collapsing the economy of Kenya. That is what I speak about. Please, don't try and make me a criminal. You come and plant things that in a car that is found at my gate. Please. Fortunately, you know, technology. We have got a woman planting those things in that car on CCTV. You come and vandalize the CCTV here. You know, iko kitu inaitwa iCloud. It doesn't make any difference. Right? Please get with it. You seem like you are far behind technology, hata nyinyi, you intelligence officers. All right? Please. You then come after taking an inventory in the night. You come again in the morning, muna plant vitu. Alafu you say take another inventory. You are here, you search the whole place, you found nothing. Then you now come to say 2 hours later, mumepata vitu zingine. Planting things, same script as 7 years ago, where you tried to plant some things in my residence in Malindi to say I have guns. Come on, please. We are not children anymore. Face up to reality. Kama umeshindwa na kazi, you can kindly exit that job. That's what some of us are asking. You have failed, William Ruto. Ruto must go is not only a song, it is now a belief. Kindly, umeshindwa na kazi. And don't fool anybody. Don't try and fool anybody. It is reality.